Happy birthday, Dadilo Waray. Happy birthday sa'yo, Dadilo Waray. Laling kung na magtagal pa kayo ni Mami lang Waray, at lalo pang tumibay ang inyong pagmamahalan. Sana ay manatili kang mabae, paalaga, mapagmahal at masayahing Dadilo na kilala at mahal naming lahat. Maraming salamat dahil palagi kang nandyan para sa amin at sa mga kaibigan mo. Naway pagpalaing ka pa ng Diyos ng malusog na pangangatawan, mahabang buhay at maraming biyayang darating. Sana rin ay matupad ang lahat ng iyong mga pangarap, hangarin sa buhay. Dito po, enjoyin mo ang espesyal na araw na ito, dahil deserve mo ang lahat ng saya at pagmamahal mula sa iyong apo sa ultimate pagmagagulay. Legitan ko owner, hanabi, ipinapanalangin namin ang iyong kaligayahan at tagumpay.
Birthday mo raw.
Happy birthday, enjoy your birthday, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday. God bless you. Stay safe.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw at baka naman, pwede may papiging, di ba? Birthday mo naman ngayon. Well, anyway, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana kung ano man yung wish mo this year sa birthday mo, sana pagkaloob yun sa inyo, Lord. Ano pa bang mahihiling mo?
Best wishes po para sa inyo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa inyo.
Happy birthday.
We just want to wish you a happy birthday. Of course, we want you to enjoy your very special day with you and your family.
Wishing you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday po sa inyo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po at sana po more blessing po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! I hope you are enjoying your birthday. I hope magkatotoo lahat ng mga birthday wishes mo and more blessings and of course long life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthdays!
God bless. Enjoy your special day. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Alam ko, kaarawan mo ngayon at ang wish ko lang para sa iyo parating good health ang una, of course. At
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Enjoy your special day. Have a good one. God bless.
Enjoy all the blessings, and may you continue to be a blessing to everyone that you meet every single day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day today. I wish you all the happiness and success in life.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po ay mag-enjoy kayo ngayong birthday niyo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your birthday today.
Happy birthday. I hope that you enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, and panalangin ko na laging ikaw ay safe at hindi ka magkakasakit at syempre lagi ka lang masaya kasi yun po ang inyong deserve.
Happy birthday. Ang lagi ko pong pagpapray ay kayo ay maging healthy at laging masaya at sana po hindi po kayo lagi nasa-stress. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po sa inyo. I pray na every single day you are able to celebrate life, family, and love with the closest to you.
Happy birthday po. I wish you good health and all the love your heart can hold. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your special day. And I wish you nothing but the best.
Happy birthday!
happy birthday po sa inyo.
Happy birthday po sa inyo. I just wish you, of course, number one is good health. I wish you strength and guidance and wisdom to overcome yung mga parating pa na obstacles. But so far so good. You're the best. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po sa inyo. God bless you. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday mo daw si Polito. Gusto ko lang magsabi ng happy birthday at sana ma-enjoy mo yan kasama ng iyong mga mahal sa buhay. God bless you, more blessings, and be a blessing to others. Ingat.
I just want to greet you a happy birthday and many more birthdays to come in your life. And may the Lord always keep you safe and give you good health.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka!
Have a great day!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything yet in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday, God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan ang inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Birthday to you.